Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be discussing this different kind of bar graphs. Have you seen these kinds of bar graphs? No, I have also not seen these kinds of bar graph in my life. So definitely you must have seen these kinds of bar graphs. Okay, like this I have already come across, or these kinds of bar graphs I have seen it, but these stacked bar graphs are there. So see this. So this question was part of 8th June 2024 IELTS exam that had happened in Asia, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, and every country. So you can if you are from my neighboring country, definitely you can text me what type of writing task question was there. So I will just try to cover. So here the statement says the chart compares the number of people per household by percentage in the UK in 1981 and 2001. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to write introduction for this question statement, how to write overall paragraph, and how to write body detail paragraph. So this is confusing one. So six categories are there. I can see 2 years are there. Definitely it is past tense, and I can see this is the bigger category. This is the bigger graph here, 34%, 31%, that is 2 people per household. And second category, second rank number position is at 1 person per household. Amazing, amazing. I am just telling you, amazing. So people are just they don't like to stay with their family members, they are just staying with 1 member. And here 2 people means friends or spouse, anyone can be there. And the least category is here is 6 or more people staying in 1 household. Okay, so first, second and third, how I have framed the story, same you can read the you can analyze any graph or any task one, whether it is pie chart or whether it is table. Just frame the story for your task 1. I am telling you, there will be no difficulty in writing task 1. So I have analyzed everything. Okay, so I can see what I have told you. Always read the task 1, like see the years, means tense you will come to know, see the categories, see the which one is the highest or number 1 position, 2 position, and at the least position. Okay, so within first 5 minutes always analyze the task 1. How to analyze I have told you. Maximum we have maximum or highest one, minimum also, and second number also we have found, year also we have found. 2 years are there and tense past is there. And definitely we will talk about first number, second number, third number, and least and or same data, means any striking point. Can you see any striking point over here? I will tell you, just a minute, I will show you full graph. Yes, so this is task 2. I will explain you in the next video how to generate idea and all for the same 8th June IELTS exam. So here see this. So any striking point, you just pause the screen and tell me, just think about the any striking point. I can see here 31 to 34, 23 to 26%, 20 to 17%, and 12 to 13%. Everywhere 3% talking, 3% decrease or increase is there. It means 3% is the main thing here. Everywhere is some category graph, some category bar graph is going up with 3%, and some are going with decrease with 3%. So this is also striking point, although I have not explained it because when I was writing it I did not notice it. When I was making video for another channel, that's why I have noticed this 3% striking point. So that's why you can repeat your task 1. After 1 week or so you will get more ideas. Okay, now let's start with how to write introduction about this question. See, this is my question statement and introduction. You can write the given bar graph also, or I have written the presented bar graphs, because there are 2 graphs now. The presented bar graphs illustrate, instead of compares I have written illustrate the number of persons per household in the United Kingdom. Instead of UK I have written United Kingdom. Per household, same everything I have written. across a 20 years period beginning from 1981 to 2001. Okay, this also you can write it. The statistical data is calibrated or presented or given, because this is passive voice sentence. You should write it in task 1 and task 2, passive voice sentence. Is calibrated. If spelling mistake is there, please correct it. Okay, in percentages per person per household. Now template for this writing task 1, I will just mark it for you. Now it will be clear. The presented, if table is there, then you can say the presented table graph or table chart, illustrate the number, illustrate the whatever the question says, you can just write. And at the end you can say the year, maybe 2 or 3 or something you can write, beginning from this to this. This is also template, this is also, or from dash year to dash year you can write. The statistical data is calibrated in percentages. So in percentages we will not write, somewhere in another task there may be another criteria for this. That's why the statistical data is calibrated in, till here it is template, and then you have to write according to the question. Now coming to overall paragraph. Overall you can see this. Overall it can be seen this. So green one, underline green one, this is also template language. Overall it can be seen that I am going to tell about what graph is going up and what graph is going down. The household with more people declined, and the opposite trend was true for small number of family members in a household. Okay, so small family members, see this again, I will show you. Small number of family members graph is going up, see this, and more family members with 6%, it has converted into 2 and 8 to 6, and means more family members graph, people, the household with more people declined, and the opposite trend was true for small number of family house in a household, while 4 and 2 member houses had also improved during this particular time span. So 4 and 2, see this, 4 and 2 it has improved. Okay, and 2 also, this has also improved. In fact 1 also had improved, I have written 1 over here. So while 4, 2 and 1 members per house you can write, had also improved during this particular time span. Now coming to detailed paragraph, how you will be writing this detailed paragraph. You can write contrast also. You talk about first number and the opposite, that is least number, or talk about first 2 categories, highest one and the second highest one in one paragraph, and then talk about these 2, and then you can combine the information these 2 one. Okay, it's your wish. So here how I have started analyzing the graph from the highest point of view, you can say, but I have written highest percentage aspect, which is 1 and 2 people per household. See this, 1 and red one is 1, blue one is 2. Okay, 1 and 2 people per household in 1981. Now I am starting with 1981. There was 23% for single citizen per house unit, which had displayed only 3% increment or increasement in 2001. Similarly, the percentiles for double occupancy, so this is double occupancy. Okay, home units were 31% with ranked number. Yeah, this is 31% with ranked number 1 and stayed at the highest position in 2001 with 34%. Now I will be talking about 5 and 6 categories. See this, the contrasted with 5% persons households falling by 6% from 8, falling to 6% from 8%, and 6 or more people in a home, which plummeted from 6% to 2%. See this, 6% to 2%, 8 to 6%. The same information I have given. Now the middle 2 one, you can combine somewhere if you want. The remaining middle groups showed divergent trends, with 4 people homes rising 3% to 15%, and 3 people homes declining the same margin to 17% from 20%. So people homes rising by 3%. Now here in bracket I should have written 12% to 12% percentage to 15%, but I mean to say, and 3 people homes declining by the same margin to 17% from 20%. So I have written this much of task 1. You can also try your, and you will get definitely good marks. You can notice over here I have not repeated any word over here. Thank you so much.